So we'll start here on the left of the dash. We got this cluster of switches. This first switch is for the backup alarm. The upper switch here is the ground lights trigger cutoff from the dome lights. Top center switch is daytime running lights. The center bottom red switch is for the PAR 36 LEDs and the push bumper. The top right switch is for the mobile DVR to switch the unit either to key position or manual power position. The vehicle DVR system, or mobile DVR, is a 4-channel unit. All videos recorded on an SD card. The bottom right switch is the fog lights. Moving our way up, we got the remote switch for the power inverter, the indicator light for the mobile DVR, and the red switch is for the front off-road lights. On the steering column, there are 2 micro switches mounted for the front directional signal corner lights. Working our way up, we got the vacuum gauge and engine compartment lights. Behind the vacuum gauge is the PA microphone. Microphone for connectability to the Pioneer head unit for Bluetooth. And then here on the gauge pod, we got engine coolant temperature, fuel pressure, oil pressure. Working our way over, we got a front dash light and an external speaker for the unit end scanner. We got the unit end scanner, and to the right of that is the switch that manually turns off and on the power for the GPS antenna. The Pioneer head unit. The Galaxy DX959CB. Below that is the arrow stick control. Front and rear battery isolator control, transmission temperature, and master switch for the emergency lights. Front blue LEDs, rear LEDs, deck LEDs, side LEDs, and amber LEDs. Left and right alley lights. The two switches on the side of the center console control electronic siren and air horn cutoff, red and white emergency lights. All emergency lights on. Microphones for the Motorola CDM 750, throttle control, brake control. Working our way down, microphone for the Galaxy 959 and the external speaker. I'm presently using the CDM 750 high band for Muir's multi-use radio system. The CDM 750 low band is used in Columbia and Greene County Fire Service. The Bearcat BC355C analog scanner. For the computer, I'm using a Panasonic CF30 Toughbook. I use this computer primarily for GPS navigation. A RAM swivel mounting system is also being used with a Panasonic dock. The computer can be easily and quickly removed from the dock. Now starting on the passenger side, we got our outdoor air temperature and hour meter. This gauge indicates the slope or pitch of the vehicle from side to side. The white switch manually turns off and on the voltmeter and ammeter from key position to manual power position. The master switch for the switch panel here. Front and rear water pumps. They control the water pumps for the onboard water system. Rear work light. Ground lights. Spotlight for the go light. The go light is a remote controlled spotlight on the roof. The incident command indicator lights. The green light indicates that 120 volts is plugged into the truck. The amber light indicates that the engine block heater is on. The blue digital meters indicate voltage and amperage for the truck's 12-volt electrical system. The meter to the left is voltage, the meter to the right is amperage. Built into the dash where the glove compartment used to be is the Pentax Pocket 3 printer. Below that is the USB hub for the Panasonic CF30 laptop computer. The red safety toggle switch is for the engine cooling fans cutoff. The red button switch above it is the manual cooling fan override. The green light indicates that the cooling fans are on. The overhead console consists of the air control system, the Phoenix Pro Storm siren control, a Motorola high-band radio utilized in the fire service. The Motorola high-band radio has radio rebroadcast through the PA speakers mounted on the top roof rack. The radio rebroadcast is activated by this switch.
Command, stand by unless you have an emergency.
This is how I got the back set up with the truck. CDM 750 high band and low band radios utilized in the fire service. High lift jack, some 4x4s to stabilize the jack, road flares, vehicle recovery rope, tool pouch there to the left, video security system, whole bunch of different portables, high band, low band, scanner, CB, the modem for the laptop, power distribution for the Screaming Eagle mechanical siren, air compressor, and power inverter. On the other side, fire extinguisher, blue tarp, paper towels, toilet paper, trash bags, Halligan tool, and a tree trimming saw. Underneath the seat is where I keep the hose for the onboard water system. In the back, we got our rear entertainment video system, tailgate system. Those two speakers again are for the CDM 750 speakers for the rear. A bazooka bass tube. Wireless headphones for the entertainment system. A box light. The orange box is a tire puncture repair kit. Power inverter. PA microphone. First aid. Water rescue disc. Jumper cables. Two boxes below the first aid kit. Bug out bag, tire chains, some rope, fire blanket, crowbar, iron ear protection, fire police gear, air compressor system, and the onboard power supply battery charger for the truck. Now I got the bug out bag removed. You can see the black toolbox. That's for air accessories with the air compressor system. The red toolbox is for recovery gear for the vehicle. And some hand tools.